Hi, Barbara Friedberg here, former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Here today to talk to you about SoFi Invest. SoFi Invest is part of the larger SoFi company. You might recognize the name as being a foremost debt company, and they, in fact, initiated the consolidation of public and private student loan refinancing. So they also have expanded rapidly into the investment and other financial services area. In fact, in 2015, they became the first fintech company to receive $1 billion of external funding. So clearly, although newish, SoFi is around to stay, or else there'll be a lot of really unhappy investors. So today we're going to talk about what SoFi Invest is, the automated investing, the active investing, and all of the features. You'll learn who is best for SoFi and who isn't, and where you should go if SoFi's not right for you. And then we will finish up with a summary of pros and cons. So what is SoFi Invest? It's a unique combination of various investing products. So if you join SoFi, and they call their customers members because they do offer some really cool educational and fun member activities, both virtual and in person. So if you become a SoFi Invest member, you have access to crypto investing, and you can invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and they say they will be offering other cryptocurrencies as well. You have access to stock bits, which is the opportunity to invest in fractional shares, which means if you can't afford one share of a $200 stock, you can invest in a portion of that stock in a stock bit, and you still own a portion of the company. Cool, right? Active investing allows you to buy and sell stocks, exchange traded funds, and this is new. You can invest in IPOs or initial public offerings. And those are companies that are just going public on the stock exchanges. They are typically very difficult to secure shares in IPOs. So this is a real distinguishing factor if, in fact, you want to tap into that market. But let me say, investing in IPOs is riskier than investing in more established public companies. SoFi also offers a couple of pretty interesting exchange-traded funds. The SoFi Select 500 is pretty much an S&P 500 company, and the SoFi Next 500 offers a ETF, which is focused on kind of newer and up-and-coming companies. The gig economy focused on, like it sounds, gig economy, and SoFi 50 are the top 50 stocks that SoFi users are investing in. A couple of these have no management charges. Now, one of the things that is a standout in SoFi is that they have no minimum investment amount. You can get started with $1, and with the exception of cryptocurrency, which charges a 1.25% fee, all other transactions, buying and selling of shares, is totally free. There are no charges for the account management as well. So that's a real selling point for beginning and new investors. Great diversification within their investment offers, free investment advisors for everybody. They even offer career coaches if you're in the mood for changing jobs. Now, they don't have tax loss harvesting, but realistically, that's a feature for more advanced investors. We're going to start off with a quick view at the SoFi Automated Investing Review. That's their robo-advisor platform. And that's great for people that really don't want to manage their own investments. So the SoFi Automated Investing Robo-Advisor requires a minimum of $1 to get started. There are no management fees. There are advisors. And within that platform, you have access to a wide variety of diversified exchange-traded funds, and they will be set up in the percentages that fit with your goals and your risk tolerance. So SoFi is very different from its competitors. Fees are rock bottom, free robo-advisor, live advisors. Broad, the automated robo-advisor offers a very nice and broadly diversified asset allocation, which even includes real estate funds and high-yield bonds. So if you're looking for a robo-advisor and you just need a basic account type, an IRA or a joint or individual brokerage account, then I would consider SoFi. I definitely look around their platform. And here is their automated investing platform. I really like that SoFi is easy to navigate on all of their different verticals. Here's the automated investing, very clear what they offer. Goal planning, rebalancing back to your preferred asset allocation, awesome diversification. And then here are the type of goals that you can specify when you're signing up for the platform. So back to the review. Now let's go on to the more active investing features. And we will skip over actually into this specific active investing article that I have written. Let's go down. We've said the fees are, pretty much nothing except for crypto. The investments you can invest in the active investing portion, and this is the part that you manage on your own, include, as we said, the stocks, fractional shares, IPOs, ETFs, and cryptos. You'll notice that they don't offer mutual funds, and they don't offer options or futures or Forex. So if you're a more sophisticated investor, this is not the portfolio. This is not the platform for you. You need to go probably with a Fidelity or a Schwab or one of the bigger name, or maybe TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, TradeStation. Those are going to give you the more sophisticated trading platforms. But for a newbie, you've got everything you need here. The orders, again, very basic, but great for a starting investor. They offer market and limit orders, which is pretty much what you'll need if you're beginning to learn to invest. We said, virtually $1 minimum. Of course, if you really want to build wealth with investing, $1 is not going to take you very far, but you can set up automatic transfers from your checking or your paycheck into the SoFi account, so you can get started investing with obviously larger amounts. Their mobile app is really, really good. It's well regarded. I've reviewed a lot of these companies with horrible ratings on their mobile apps. SoFi distinguishes itself. And at the time I checked, it had a 4.8 rating on the Apple Play Store. Now, this is kind of cool. They have like a membership community. So once you join, they have activities online and in person. A lot of these are just fun stuff, but then they do have some educational activities as well. We talked about the investment financial planners, and they are certified financial planners. So they've got a very good level of training and expertise to help you with your investing questions. Again, perfect for beginner investors. Talked about the accounts, pros and cons. Okay, here's what I love about SoFi Invest. Free investment advice and career coaching. Free stock and ETF trading. Cryptocurrency, fractional shares, IPOs, no minimums. Your investments can be automatically reinvested. I like the community if that's something you're looking for. The mobile app is great, and there are member discounts for other SoFi lending products. Here's the downside. There are limited investment options. If you're a more advanced trader, you're not going to find everything that you want. If you get into options and analysis and that sort of thing, that's not going to be great for you. The learning portal is really structured towards new investors who don't know a lot about investing. There are great articles on their blog, which will help you learn about the basics. The advanced investing information is negligible. They're also limited in terms of video education, and there are no stock research and tools. Alternatives would be M1 Finance, Schwab Stocks, Slices, Robinhood, and Ally Invest are comparable companies to compare to SoFi Invest. So, should you invest in SoFi or not? I'd say if you are a new beginner investor and you are looking to get started in stock market investing, then it is definitely worth a look. If you're a sophisticated investor looking for a specialty trading portal or looking for in-depth research tools, then do not invest here. This will not be the right platform for you. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. List all your comments and questions below. I respond to everything. I love to hear from you. There will be additional links to articles and videos in the notes below. Give us a like, and I will see you next time. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.